Magandang hapon po ng November 9, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 9, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, November 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 9, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for November 9, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for November 9, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.